Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this morning update, let's take a look at Tesla, Nvidia, AMD, SMCI, ARM, and Micron. Tesla continues to fall as how what I have said from the last many videos that as we will start to lose $373 level, it opens up the doors at least first to 325. We are going still in that direction, and on the daily interval I still don't see any price action that tells me that we are gonna turn around up again. Right now there is no price action that tells me that, and also my tools are still showing the structure as bearish on Tesla. Well, technically, we'll see if 325 gives it a rebound, and if it doesn't, well, then we are watching $300. Hourly interval, full on bloodbath, nothing has really changed. It's just bearish, guys, right? We just continues down. Technically, yeah, well, any rebound at this point, since yesterday was 358, it's always the level above that acts as a trailing resistance or in uptrend trailing support levels, right? But in this case, now even if any rebound comes on until 348, if that happens, it's not going to make Tesla bullish. That'll just be a rebound. We are just bleeding right now on Tesla, and yeah, it's the time like now. 326 is where we'll see if it stabilizes and tries to give us some rebound. Otherwise, no, it's just, yeah, right now, just, yeah, doing its thing. The one that the same thing that I told you that it's gonna do. So anyways, let's get to Nvidia. So Nvidia is just doing fine today as well, and it's still bullish. And as I said, it will remain bullish through the pullbacks as well. Structure on this, let's turn on my tools, has been bullish lately, right? And any pullback is just a buy, is what I have been telling you. And even on the hourly interval, we found support where? Well, 131 area. And as I said, any pullback until any of these significant zones, even any pullback, if it would have happened to 129, that would just have been a pullback. Hey, we are just getting bought back up from the level above because we're in the bullish structure. You don't know how much of a pullback would come, and we have to use the lower time frames to identify where's the consolidations happening, right? For example, and also we are in the bullish structure. So again, I'm not going to plug and play my tools all the time. Just if you have access to my tools, you already know that. And on the hourly interval, this is where I mentioned that with this, any of the levels, what you are watching is where what the price action is telling us. And at this point, since we are bullish, we are watching for a bullish price action and the consolidation. And we got at this level, what, double bottom. And then you are using 5 minutes to day trade or whatnot. But this is your indications, right? So things are just bullish on Nvidia here as well. Nothing has really changed. And we can actually revisit 5 minutes interval, and I can really quickly show you my easy day and swing trading tool as well here. Like it's, yeah, let's turn it on. And as you can see, we are still in the bullish structure for the day trade, and these are this is how you have to use the tools, right? And it's easy peasy, you know what to do. Well, enter, play the bullish play, and we are still bullish, guys. All right, anyways, that's for the day trade. Hourly interval I just explained to you, and again, you know how to use the tools as if you have access to my tools. And if you need access to my tools, and also 45 plus stocks coverage, if you're interested in that as well, check out the details in the description of this video. All right, okay, so that's Nvidia remaining bullish and is bullish. Let's get to AMD. And AMD, what a beautiful price action. It's finally getting above that 112. Can we do it today? Well, if we do above 112, we close above it, we are just fine. 112 and 60 cents, I mean, okay, in that area. We are just doing fine. And also on the hourly interval, what was the level I told you guys, right, yesterday? I told you that this anything above 109 and 10 cents, we are just bullish. Intraday, look at it, right precisely at that level. We got that bounce back up. All right. So anyways, so that was the zone. As long as we stay above it, we would be just fine, is what I mentioned. And guys, we just remained fine, right? All right. So What else here? Well, nothing else. Well, when I say nothing else, that's all, guys. On AMD, we are bullish. Any of the levels below is just a support. For example, significant level. As we stay above it, we are still in the strengthful structure. All right, we'll see how the day closes on AMD. Today we have SMCI earnings, so we'll see. But yeah, AMD is looking, at least in near term intraday is looking fine so far. Okay, SMCI has its earnings today, and this is already showing a very massive moves. We'll see what happens. No one knows what's going to happen through the earnings at this point. We'll just have to wait and watch what the earnings does. And yeah, so as long as we even gap down but stay above this 37 area, we are fine. And as if we gap up, well, everything is continues to be great, right? So $50 and above will, if we gap up above that, that will be awesome. But we'll see. No one knows what's going to happen through the earnings, and then we will see what happens now. Check out the videos from last 2 days that I did on my channel on SMCI. That will give you better in-depth understanding of everything. All right, ARM. As I have said, overall structure is bullish as long as we're above 157 and 60 cents area. And intraday, did we complete the pullback on intraday? Are we good to go up? Well, technically, it's not a bad price action. Let's see how it closes. Well, technically, that's the zone. 157 above, 157 and 60 cents above, we are fine. Right, and that's where we're getting some bounces. And I do expect, well, as long as we don't lose, and I think we will continue higher up. In my opinion, pullback is just completing itself, and intraday we are getting ready to go up as long as we don't lose 161, 160 to 161 area. As long as we don't lose that now, we are just doing fine on our Micron. So Micron, a little bit, again, guys, look, this thing is not like Tesla or Nvidia, right? This thing is a slow crawler. Right now, technically, it's still in the bullish structure as long as the bullish structure holds. But the next move is above 96 and 50 cents area. If we break out above it, that's great. Some slowness is coming. Is this bearish? Has it changed the structure bearish with the slowness? No. It found a support at the significant level below. Technically, it's still holding a bullish structure, but we need to stay above 94 and 29 cents, or yeah, 94 and 28 cents here. If we continue to stay above it, we are technically still fine on this thing. If we lose it, weakness will again come in, and then we'll have to wait again. All right, so that's that on Micron. All right, just before wrapping up, let's revisit Tesla, because Tesla is at 336. Not sure it was at 336 when I talked about it just a couple of minutes ago. But yeah, no, it's just bleeding at this point, guys. Tesla is just bleeding. Yeah. So yeah, I'm interested to see what 326 would do. And what we gotta see the price action there, right? What the price action would do there. So anyways, that's all I have for you guys in this video. And I'll see you in my next video. As I said, if you need access to the trading tools and 45 plus stocks coverage, check out the details in the description of this video. All right, take care, bye.